It's the best one we've done. Lovely. Here comes the middle bit. Yeah. That's the name.
This is beautiful.
And the balcony. Come on, balcony. Balcony. Everybody point and go blue. 1, 2, 3. Balcony, you suck. Don't be afraid to say hello.
That was awesome. That's the best way so far, man. That was amazing.
Things are how they go. Freestyle show, thanks for coming, we hope you enjoyed. I'm just joking, I'm joking. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that gets steeper, so don't let you break off, whatever you do, I'll drag us both down. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the man who brings a face here that only a mother could love, all the way from Devon, arguably the UK's finest freestyler. He is the brilliant Mr. Jamie Squid! He loves swimming. Our next rider, part of the Red Bull X Fighters World Series from Spain, a true FMX powerhouse. Put your hands together for Spain's Mike Malero! Our next rider has come the furthest. From the land of the rising sun, Fukushima to be precise, part of the MX Virus group. Put your hands together, please. Give a massive round of applause to Dai Suzuki! Please, can you give us one Japanese word that these guys can all shout at you in the air to, like, you know, good bit of encouragement?
Suge.
Suge? What does that mean?
Awesome.
Awesome, yes,
awesome.
Okay. So, ladies and gents, Suge. Let's have a quick practice. 1, 2, 3. Suge. Suge. Yes, arigato. That's good, isn't it? That sounded pretty good. It sounded pretty good, didn't it?
So good.
So good. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Dai Suzuki. Our next rider, the Brad Pitt of UK freestyle, from the hotbed that is Gatwick. Put your hands together for the supremely immense Mr. Dave Wiggins! Our only rider on a 4-stroke. You'll be able to hear the difference. Our next rider comes all the way from Sweden, the land of beautiful people, and he is no exception. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Mr. Frederick Bregman! I just want to take this opportunity to say, on behalf of everybody here in hall number 1, thank you for IKEA's meatballs. We love those, first and foremost. Thank you for the Billy bookcase that you can get from IKEA as well. I love that. Everybody's got a Billy bookcase. And also, on behalf of everybody in here, happy birthday. It's his birthday. We'll sing later. Don't worry about that.
We'll do it later.
Jesus. And finally, the man who is your stereotypical freestyler. He's got tattoos up to his neck. He drives a black van. He beats up old people. And he listens to Black Sabbath. Yet he's got the poshest voice in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the supremely talented Mr. Chris Birch!
He does not beat up old people.
He eats old people.
He does not eat old people.
He rips off old people's skins and wears them to his own
No,
birthday
he
party.
doesn't. He's very nice.
Oh, I don't even like talking to him. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. just, you know, give you the bad boy image, then, you know, people will hate you. And that's the wrong thing. Listen, I can say this till I'm blue in the face, but tell the crowd, you can hear them through the helmet, can't you? Above the noise of the bike and with that big helmet on, you can hear them cheering for you, can't you?
Certainly can, guys. Every single one of you are part of the show just as much as us guys up here. And we want you to be loud and have a lot of energy because it really spurs us on. And the louder you are, the bigger we'll go.
I love that little, like, you look like an Oompa Loompa kind of pumpy thing. Right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our 6 riders! I promise you an epic show of all proportions. We're going to start slow and build up, but when I say start slow, actually, we're going to start with the first trick in motocross, which, in my opinion, is one of the best tricks. It's the whip. We're going to start with Mr. Jamie Squibb versus Fredrik Berger from Sweden. So, England versus Sweden. Here we go, is our first matchup. Now, guys, you will be deciding who you think is the best. So keep your eyes on that back wheel. The whip is a trick for the brave, and it involves throwing the bike into a 180-degree spin, stopping it where you will, and then revving the absolute nuts off to spin that back wheel and get the bike back. Jamie Squibb on the blue Yamaha, on the right-hand side, Fredrik Berger. Here we go, then now. Grandstand B, people in the middle, Grandstand A, as a collective, you need to make some noise for the person you think has the biggest whip. So, do you think the biggest whip of these two belongs to Mr. Jamie Squibb?
Good, very good, very, very good. How about the birthday boy, Fredrik Berger?
No. What? He is rubbish.
No, he's not.
Squibby, you're through to the final, dude. Well done.
Just a bit hungover.
Join the losers' seat in Losersville. Okay, next matchup, Battle of Britain then. 2-stroke versus 4-stroke. Tattoos versus pure beauty. Dave Wiggins versus Chris Birch, ladies and gentlemen. Right, what have these two got them? Now, don't be fooled by the noise of that 4-stroke. Sounds like a buffalo over the paper gun. Just pure aggression from that Honda. Whereas KTM sounds like okay, so actually look at the course then. Bertie in the orange and blue on the left. Dave Wiggins in the white and red on the right side. A whip contest, not a backflip whip contest. Let me tell you something about cheating. Kids, take note of this as well. You're only cheating yourself. Your parents would be very disappointed in you.
But he did kind of whip in the backflip, though.
Well, no, it's a backflip whip, but it's cheating. Ladies and gentlemen, if you think the best whip here belongs to Miss Chris, love it! Cheat.
Okay, how about the man from Gatwick? Give it up for this guy's whips, Gatwick Dave! Still pretty respectable, Tim.
I don't know, one more time, Chris Birch!
Gatwick Dave! I think Birch got it.
I think Birch got it.
Well done.
Birch, you're in. Right, final matchup then. Say hello and welcome our international riders then. Mike Malero from Spain and Dai Suzuki all the way from Japan. Show these guys some love. Give it a big round, a big clap, a big nice. I'm trying to get the words out. I've drank too much coffee. You know what I mean? Come in. So as you look at the course then, ladies and gentlemen, on the left-hand side, on the yellow Yamaha, we've got Dai Suzuki, and on the right-hand side, on that KTM, that was the Michael Malero.
This is something they call a groundbreaker.
So much style.
So let me
Dave
first
Suzuki,
apologize.
as he got leaned over, he's gonna fall over the bike, but he brings it back in without it. He's trying to make it like that, he's taking power in it.
Look, he's got narcolepsy.
Whips get better every show.
His breast back inside, and the right inside.
Move back, touchdown from the man from Japan.
It really is a trick for the brain. So happy he's going again.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is no illusion.
Wow, that was a good round. Arigato, Suzuki-san. What was so good?
He's so good turned down.
That was so good. Did you see that last one? He was like 90 degrees and then ring at the last minute.
Yeah, so good.
Do you think he should win?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. He wins and you lose. It's that simple. He thinks you should win, Malero. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause because he's still flipping good. So yeah! We'll see more from Dice in a little bit, of course. So Malero, it's going to be you up against Birchie, up against Squibmeister General. I'm just going to touch him over here because he's just brilliant. I'm going to just touch you quickly. Hi. That was epic. Epicatron. So whip final then. Team John's best whip counts. Remember, moms and dads, you're judging this. Who do you think is the bravest? Whose back wheel goes further forward than the front wheel? Remember, the louder you guys cheer, the bigger these guys are going to go. The harder they're going to push it. You may or may not have heard of a little thing called Kodak Courage. Definitely coming into play here as well. So first up in the blue and orange is going to be Mr. Chris Birch.
Yeah, with the wave to the crowd, to a one-handed whip with the wave. And Squibby probably looking back, holding still last second. But Malero gets the full 180s rock, and it's so difficult to fight that ground. This is now throttle. It's like science up there. It's working in the back wheel. The back wheel acts like a gyroscope. Squibby laying on the bottom, off the transition. And Malero with the whip flip.
Put your hands together for all three in the final there. I think you'll all agree, epic. But you know what us humans are like? We like winners. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you think the best whip here belongs to Mr. Jamie Squibb? Put your hands together, make some noise for the man from Newton Abbey! Knowledgeable crowd. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Birch! Embarrassing. And finally, Michael Malero! We'll see a landslide. landslide. You can see a landslide happening today.
That's the loudest I've ever heard Grandstand A in 9 days, man.
There we go. They're a good-looking grandstand over here. Right then.
Best-looking grandstand.
That, ladies and gentlemen, was the first trick in freestyle motocross. It's now time to rip the lid off and show you every single trick there is. It